All right, welcome back. You're with us here on Bazaar Morning Call. SGX Nifty is indicating a 40-point higher start. 18,389 is where we are at. I mean, last two sessions, which is Monday and then the Friday before, we've had a pretty similar kind of day. Market starting higher, selling off, and then at exactly 2:30 or so, around about there, there is a big bid which pushes the market. Not quite at the day's high, but close enough. Sudarshan Sukhani is with us, and Mitessh Thakkar are both joining in with their trade setup. Gentlemen, good morning. Good to have both of you here. Sudarshan, to you first. How are things looking to you? I mean, the Bank Nifty perhaps gets back to its September high, which is also the all-time high. The Nifty is about 2% away. How would you approach things?
Good morning. See, Prashant, the trend is up. The markets were consolidating for 4 days. On Friday, as you explained, it went down, but eventually closed up and broke out of that consolidation. The world markets are very conducive for a continued up move. So the Nifty is expected to go and make a thrust towards 18,600, which is its lifetime high. I think that should happen. It should go and test that level. Whether it succeeds, crosses it, is for the future to say. But we should be prepared for a rally of another 250, 300 points from the current open, where the Nifty should open. Therefore, the trade is, if you have a long trade in the market, stay long with it. If you don't have a trade or want to initiate one today, be prepared for a minor dip in the Nifty and go long. Your stop should be about 18,200. That is the cash Nifty, not the futures. With a stop at 18,200, go long and stay long in the Nifty. Now, the Bank Nifty is consolidating for the last 8 to 10 days, and it's given the gap up, it's likely to break out of that consolidation. It's already going to make lifetime new highs. It did that, I think, on Friday. I think it'll perform as the Nifty has done. So both are buying opportunities on minor dips today.
Okay, go long and stay long. That's the advice. Perhaps new highs coming this week. You never know. At least the indications are such. Mitessh Thakkar is also with us. Mitessh, good morning. Are you as optimistic? And what's the strategy for today?
Good morning, Sonia. We've been maintaining a very positive stand, saying that this market will possibly head towards 18,350, 370, and then I think, even try to test the all-time highs, which for the Nifty is about 18,600 plus. So I think just maintain long positions. I think today you would want to try and figure out after 15 minutes of gap up opening where to revise your stop loss to. My sense is that I think, staying above 18,340 would be a very positive thing. So we might open closer to about 18,380, 400 levels. And then if you don't get a dip in the first 15-20 minutes, then I think 18,340, 325 zone becomes your trailing stop loss. And 18,600 should be the near-term target on the upside. For the Nifty, the Bank Nifty also should possibly try and get to levels beyond 41,830, which was the previous swing high, and then try to head towards 42,250.
Okay, all right. Hi, Mitessh. Morning. What about individual stocks?
Yeah. Nigel, morning. I have all buy calls today, a couple of them from the tire space. They were buys on Monday as well. I have a buy on Apollo Tire with a stop at 294, targets of 315 here. MRF is a buy with a stop below 94,000 for targets of 97,500. Tata Steel is a buy with a stop at 104.5 for targets of 112. And ICICI Bank is the final buy call. Keep a stop at 905. Look for a first target of 940.
All right, then Sudarshan, how about you? What would be on your buy and sell list this morning? And what do you do with some of these PSU banks that have had a dream run? Do you put more money there?
I think you put more money in PSU banks on minor dips, not necessarily today. But yes, keep them on your list. These minor corrections keep on happening. Then be brave enough to buy them. There's probably more upside in Bank of Baroda, in Can Bank. And if you add State Bank, then there also. My buy list also starts with a tire-related business. Balkrishna Industries is a buy. It's consolidating for almost 2 months and now breaking out. Stop under 1915. Petronet is a buying opportunity. Petronet has made a very decent bullish pattern. Buy with a stop under 208. My intraday short is SBI Card, which is actually making new lows in this market. So that's an intraday short with a stop above 821. And finally, Ramco Cement is a buy, again with a stop under 715. Cement companies, almost all of them are likely to go on a roll.
Okay, thanks for that. We'll come back, in fact, and get talking about more stocks, but a lot of tire stocks on their list So do keep that on your radar as well. Let's slip into a quick break. On the other side, we'll have the pre-opening rates. We will also talk to Anuj Podar of Bajaj Electricals to discuss their Q2 earnings. Do stay tuned in.